How to turn off Gmail two-step verification on iPhone. Go to your Google account and tap on it. Make sure that you sign in with the email address you want to turn off the two verification. Then once you sign in with the same email address, go to the profile picture at the top of the screen, tap on it. It comes out like this. Then tap on manage your Google account. Once you tap on manage your Google account, it comes out like this. Then go ahead and tap on security and sign in button. Once you tap on that, it comes out like this. Then you have this option. Go ahead and tap on two-step verification. Once you tap on that button, just wait a few seconds. If you are doing for the very first time, it might ask to log in again. Then scroll up, you have all the authentication you've added on your device. Then go ahead and tap on turn off two-step verification. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, Google will ask you to turn this off. So if you tap on turn off, then the 2FA or the two-step authentication or verification on your Gmail account will turn off on your iPhone. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.